Excuse me guys, may I have your attention please? Okay, please have a seat. So finally we are going to have a debate. You have done group discussion. Group discussion means that is discussed in a group. Now it's a debate. One by one I have given 7 numbers. They will come on the stage. Share your views on the stage. But when you come here, again I repeat, you need to introduce yourself with the greetings like, good morning respected sir and my dear students, my friends. My name is Mukesh and currently I am doing this. Today our debate topic is part-time job should be compulsory with the education or not. Then speak your favor, speak 2 or 3 points, and then audience, if they have any question, then they will ask. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
There's no energy in your voice. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
So I'm inviting the first speaker, Mr. Nayan. Please put your hands together and invite him. Keep clapping.
Hello, good morning. My name is Nayan Jain. Currently I am studying in 8th grade. So today our debate topic is part-time job should be compulsory with education or not. According to me, part-time job should be compulsory with education. So my first point is, by part-time job, students will get real life experience, and this experience will help in getting a job after completing study. My second point is, having part-time job experience shows that you have exposure to the professional world, and it will help you and give an advantage over the other candidates. And my third point is, the benefit of part-time job is maybe less likely to spend their hard-earned money by students. For example, notebooks, textbook and clothes, and they will save non-essential purchases like movies, video games, etc. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Well, he came first time on the stage, especially in Sunday GD. They both are the rock star in their own batch. But I said if you write points and initially you are allowed, if you want to read sometime, you want to have a look into your notebook and want to read, it's allowed. We respect the curiosity of speaking. That leads to success one day. So first number is done. Next, evergreen personality, Mr. Himanshu Paliwal. Please put your hands together and welcome him.
Good morning everyone. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. So this is Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing fine. So today's our debate topic is should part-time job should be with the education system or not. So as far as I consult, yes, part-time job should be there, or we can say the internship programs should be there with the education. Why is it so? Because we are not as much as topper that we after the degree we will get a job of respected job, or we will get some internship programs, because we can't believe in our education system, or we can't believe on us also. If I talk about the Chinese and Japanese people, whenever there is any vacations, whenever they get the time, they invest their times in a technical field also. That's why the Japanese and Chinese people are much more technical as compared to the Indian people. What is the situation behind is that in India, after completing this, we go for the training program, we go for the coachings, we go for the skill oriented program. But I think that along with the education, we should do some part-time jobs. Part-time jobs doesn't mean that if you are doing MBBS and you are working in a general stores, that doesn't mean. The means that whatever you are doing the education, then do the work part-time related to that education system. Okay, just like one of the best examples of pharmacies people. I have many friends, they are doing the pharmacies and still they are working in the medical shops to just get the knowledge about the practical knowledge about the medicines, practical knowledge about the disease and that also. So as far as I think that the government should make the compulsory part-time jobs, which we can say the internship programs for all the students who are really working hard to get the job, because we are not sure, even we don't have such type of time period that in that time period we will get that job. And now the many people are saying that it will spoil the student life. No, never. Ever. I don't think so that by the part-time job or by the internship programs your student lives or your college life or your school life will be spoiled. No, part-time job doesn't mean that you are working for the 6 hours, it's for the 4 or 3 hours. It will just give the knowledge or skills. One more thing, that is people saying that it will give the pressures and burden to the students, and it will directly affect to the studies. But I don't think so that if you are if you are making such internship program as such type of innovative, then definitely the student will like it, and if he know that in upcoming years this internship program will benefit him or her, then it will definitely good for us. So I think so that internship or part-time program should be compulsory with the education system. If anyone have any question, please ask me. Sir, college life doesn't mean that college life is that only for the 6 to 7 hours, we can say that. And I am saying that the internship programs may be done on the evening basis, even though the many students are working in a KPOs and BPOs companies and a night shift also. So I don't think so that if you are good to manage your life, if you are good to manage your study lives, then it can be managed easily. If we can waste our time in watching the web series and movies, then easily we can invest our time, because we are getting money also, na. There is a one factor also, money factor. But if we watch movies and web series, then we don't get any benefit rather than the enjoyment or what we can for time pass only. Yes, anyone have it?
Anyone else?
Yeah, Jitendra sir, then okay, Deepak sir. Yeah, sure.
There are many.
Sir. I can say that if it should be the compulsory for them, then they can easily mention that. Okay, school. One thing that is school and colleges are not only for the whole day or for the whole night. Okay, even though I have seen many students who are doing colleges for the 6 hours, and after that to 4 to 5 hours they are doing coachings also. Still they are managing their one factor also, and somehow they, if I have seen the many IITs and UPSC aspirants, they have invested their 12 hours 13 hours in their study, but still they don't get the job. Okay, surety, and even single job also they don't get. So sometimes you have to manage it, and if you have some pressure of if you are whenever you are enjoying something na, then definitely it will benefit for you, just like internship programs and many more things. Thank you so much guys, have a gala day. Thank you so much sir.
So Himanshu is very active. You have, I guess you have seen him often on the YouTube also. He participates. He's ever ready for all type of activities, and he keeps asking that whenever you have any type of opportunity where we can go for the exposure, please give us this chance. And this is the beauty of learning. When you grab the opportunity, every time you keep improving. This is the thing people don't have. When you have curiosity within you, and it will take you out by various activities like group discussion, debate competitions, you can become a good speaker. Second number is done. Now I'm inviting to the third one. Who is there? I think Mr. Deepak. Guys, put your hands together and invite him on the stage to Mr. Deepak.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Deepak Singh Best, and today's topic, as you all know, that part-time job should be compulsory with education or not. According to my point of view, part-time job should not be compulsory with education, because there are so many colleges who provides better opportunities in company and better opportunity in which they are doing education. So there is no need to do part-time job. And the second thing is that it increase the stress in the mind of students. So they lack in the studies, and somewhere they suffer in studies and lose the grade in the education. So managing both things together somewhere make person we can say put the person in the difficult situation. So according to my point of view, the part-time job should not be compulsory with education, and there are a lot of things which the person can do while doing the studies. So there should not be a compulsory part-time job with education. That's where my point. If anybody has any question, they can ask.
Yeah, Manish sir.
People were students.
Sir, firstly, it depends on which course you opted for. Firstly, there are so many courses, like if you are doing engineering from the good college, definitely they will provide you internship in that company. Like if you are mechanical engineer, they will send you for the internship in mechanical type of company. If you are doing CS kind of thing, so they will provide you job in CS kind of thing. So like there are so many colleges who provides work experience and as well as job kind of thing, part-time job kind of thing. Generally we call it as a internship from the college. So many college provide it, and person need not to go here and there for the job, and so many company provide placement program to for the childrens.
Guys, you should keep clapping, because if you clap, the people get energy, right? So as I can suggest you a few changes if you can make. Like, there are so many colleges who provide. So instead of saying who provide, you should say which provide or that provide, right? So who is specifically used for the human, but you're talking about the things, you're talking about the college. So that if you can correct will be better, right? Third number is done. Inviting the fourth one, Mr. Jitendra. Put your hands together and welcome him.
Good morning. As you know that today's our debate topic is should part-time job be compulsory for with the education or not. So as far as we know that India is considered as the most unemployed, India is considered as a country which has too much unemployment, and we government always have concerns regarding that. So even in India, experienced person do not get jobs. So here my first point is that if we will make the compulsory part-time job with the education, then it will affect the productivity of the organization, as I said earlier, and as well as it will increase the employee turnover ratio, and definitely no company wants to make the employee turnover ratio higher or productivity less, and make the cost higher. So the thing is that in the education, student must focus on education, because the exploring stage is for the only exploring. We do not have to be compiled or bound with any responsibility, where we have the chance to explore and make our foundation strong, because it is always said that building a house, we must have a good foundation. And many of my friends suggested that people will get independent in financial terms, or they will make money. So thing is that in the India, the freelancing trend is going on, and if you are trained well, and if you know the better things technically or as well as other things, you can earn money. Okay, you will need a only client, and you will make money from that. Okay, you do not have to be involved fully in a job, whether it is part-time or full-time or whatever it is. And third thing is that in India, some colleges are providing although the internship, but so the student can get real insights of the corporate world. But making it compulsory will not increase the productivity of organization, and neither it will help the student to do better, because one side student will get bound with the responsibilities, and will have to handle all the things parallelly, because in the education for engineering student, all engineer knows that how much pressure is there in the college, because of handling the practical things and as well as study, because within 1 month they have to give a midterm, or there are many exams. So also for the for the engineering students and MBA students, the college timing is from 9 to 4. So that becomes very much complicated for a student to handle both things altogether. Thank you so much. If you have any question, then please.
Also internship program, then it will help great for the upcoming futures. What do you think?
Actually, your point is very relevant, but in India we know that what's the condition of the employment. Okay, so if we think practically, then it's not possible making the part-time job compulsory with the education. And you are talking about the internship. I really want to put my personal example, because I did an internship, and where I got no exposure actually, because there was a thing, they were not paying me, and that was a 2 months internship, and only have lunch and go back home. Okay, that was the internship, and they gave me certificate that you are trained for the particular domain. Okay, and you are talking about the internship and part-time jobs exposure. Okay, so if any student gets back Okay, so that will be a huge drawback in getting a job after the education. So nobody wants to have any kind of drawback. No, I'm not talking about that, but the pressure which make study complicated. They cannot focus. Thank you.
When 1 week series is there, one week series is itself an identity that you enjoy a whole day. We have ready stuff. You study before 10 days, and some people don't study before 10 days. Before 2 days, they take 1 week series, complete their graduation with 60-70%, and they feel proud that we have done a great work. You have not done a great work. You have misused the education, right? Well, it's going good. Well, one time we have discussed that our education system is skill oriented or only knowledge oriented. Jitendra has spoken very nicely. Okay, so let's come to the conclusion, guys. The part-time job should be compulsory with the education or not. Yeah, both the sides were powerful. People gave wonderful points, and when we come to the conclusion, although these topics are conclusionless, there is no conclusion. You can't give the clear conclusion, but even we can divide in categories. Instead of saying part-time job, we can say the internship, right? In ancient time, people used to, students used to work with their parents till 14-15 years. They used to get skill of their parental business, the parental work, and there was no problem of unemployment. There was no unemployment in past time, ancient time. But we should also think on one point why unemployment is increasing day by day. Everybody is getting first class education. All the colleges are showing that we have a tremendous facility, we have tremendous services. Even why unemployment is increasing? What's the reason behind it? Is it the reason that when people have time to learn a skill, that time they are enjoying their life, studying 1 week series and getting good marks and thinking that, yeah, I have got 60%, 70%, 80%. We need to go for the reason, right? So such educations which are skill oriented, like medical field, BTech is up to a limit, like IIT colleges, which the education which is skill oriented, where people really talented. Nowadays, even out of 100, 80% BTech students, they cannot introduce themselves in English, although it's required, right? They don't have the required skill, they have done BTech. So how these people will get the job, right? These people do job after completing of the BTech and diploma, they find job here, and then finally they are doing job in KPO. KPO, they provide AC rooms and they feel relaxed, 13, 14, 15 till 20,000 they are getting, they are happy at least. But the education what they got, they are doing nothing. Probably they have mentally got developed, but ultimately they are not doing related to their education work. So when there is a skill oriented course, MBBS and BTech, this type of internship, if people start from first year, second year, like it is already being done with the MBBS, they are doing work, they are doing practical, they are doing everything which is taught to them in their study, right? And that's the reason at least MBBS field is quite smarter than other field. So same like that, I always speak about the BA, BCom, this type of courses. Sometimes I think why the government has included. This way people are becoming lazy. The next thing is the expectations of government job. I'm not denying and I'm not trying to disappoint you that you should not try. You should try. But out of 100, only one is getting selected. Remaining 99, they are roaming here and there. They were busy in the precious time to study the books. Now, after the age of 30, 35, they don't have any skills. They will look here and there. They will do part-time job. They will do part-time job later, right? So this is the reason. If you have requirement, if your study is flexible, like you're doing BCom, BA, that time if you start doing part-time job and start working, getting skills, that will help you out in future in case you don't get job, right? But if you're doing such study which is totally skill oriented and you don't have time, so many people, they study for IIT, they don't have time, right? In that case, if they are fully focused on study, then let them do study, right? Otherwise, those people who have unproductive time, those who are free for 3-4 hours doing nothing, just chatting on the WhatsApp, getting knowledge from WhatsApp University, busy with social media, reels, then in that case, it is better to do the part-time job. or any internship, whatever you can develop the skills. That's the conclusion simply I can give.